coming by to let you guys know what a great perfect amount of starch.
Thank you.
So I'm gonna head out. Got a meeting. Very nice seeing you.
You want to massage? You feel at home. You know feel at home.